Thinking about buying a brand new home in the Treasure Valley? Whether you're looking for a move-in ready home or want to build from the ground up, I can help you find the perfect fit. Hi, I'm Delaney, your local real estate expert specializing in new construction homes. I help buyers just like you navigate the process, find the best builder incentives, and secure a home that fits your needs, all without the hassle.
Welcome to the stunning Tamarack by Tresidio Homes, located in the beautiful Valor community. Moving into the heart of the home, where an open floor plan creates a welcoming atmosphere.
So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background.
This 2,400 square foot home features a spacious 3-car garage, perfect for all of your storage needs. The expansive great room seamlessly connects to the kitchen and dining area, ideal for entertaining. The modern kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring abundant cabinet storage and a quaint cooking spot. Notice the built-in gas range, in-wall oven, and spacious walk-in pantry, offering ample storage. Immediately when you enter the home, you will notice 4 spacious bedrooms, with the first being located right in the front.
Too long now, I think that I want to second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them, don't second guess me. So come a little closer.
Now, let's explore the stunning primary bedroom, a true retreat. The ensuite spa-inspired bathroom boasts a luxurious tub, walk-in shower, and dual vanities. This Tamarack home, with its modern style, thoughtful design, is ready to be made your own. Thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel today, and if you want to explore more new construction options, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
If this home caught your eye, or if you want to explore other new construction options, let's set up a time to talk. I can help you compare builders, find the best deals, and make sure you get the home you love. Call or text today, and let's find your dream home together.